First, we have to go to the AWS Management Console. We have to sign in with the credentials. This is my mail, root user, and this is the password. After signing, we'll direct it to the home page. And first, we have to, my project is on serverless web application on AWS using S3, Lambda, SQS, and DynamoDB and API gateway. First of all, we are going to search CloudFormation to create a stack. First of all, I'm going to CloudFormation to create a stack. Okay. After that, we have to create a stack. Choose an existing file, upload a template file, and we have to choose backend creation CF template, which is my this is the final view and application composer. This is the canvas, the list, everything which I am going to explain now. By clicking next, we are going to enter the stack name which we have to use before. I am using the web application of my application of my project, web application, and we have to click the next, and we have to simply click the next, and the template is ready. Now we have to acknowledges that AWS CloudFormation that might create an IAM resources. We need to submit. After submitting, we created a, it is taking the time to create. It is in progress. I have to wait. So we have to refresh this page. It will take time to create. Let's wait to 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah, my project created this. It means the stack is created in the CloudFormation. Now we have to create an S3 bucket after creating the stack in CloudFormation. So typing the S3, I'm opening new tab. Why? Because I'm going to make this project in a Word document to submit to my higher ups. First of all, I have to create the bucket within the same you have to be more conscious while creating the CloudFormation S3. Why? Because we have to create in the same region which I use in a CloudFormation North Virginia region, so I have to create S3 bucket in same region. So I am giving my bucket name is front end web application, some random number 631, and we have to, 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . . . 。 . . . . . . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . 。 。 . . . . . . . . 。 Then we have to simply create the bucket. Yeah, it will take time to create the bucket. My bucket name is front-end web application 631, and we have to go to that and click on that project, that bucket name, and we need to go to the properties, and we have to go to the static web page, and click on the edit option, and we have to enable the button which is showing there, and we have to specify the name for an index document. I am giving the same as index.html, and simply we have to click the save changes. Afterwards we have to go to the permissions, and we have to edit this block public access, and we have to uncheck this click button, and we have to save the changes. To confirm, enter the confirm, confirm this message, and I have to, and I'm going to edit the block bucket policy. This is my project API gateway codes. This is a deployment this deployment instructions which I made in this. I have to take this code and copy. I'm going to my console back. I have to click on edit bucket policies. I have to paste the code in this bucket policy, and I have to copy this bucket ARN bucket ARN, and I have to paste here. Why? Because I'm creating the S3 bucket in the name of front end web application 631, so I have to change this, and I'm going to change the save the changes. This is, it will create the sum, and I am going to change the cross origin resource sharing by clicking the edit option, and I am the same the code in my VS Code. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this, and I'm pasting here. I'm simply clicking the save changes button. After creating this, then we have to go to the API gateway. I'm going to an API gateway. It will shows an item API, and we have to click here. By clicking this, it will show some the dashboard of the API gateway. First we need to create the stages. I'm going to the stages and creating the stages, and giving the stages name as prod, and simply I'm creating this stage. After creating the stage, I'm going to the integrations. Manage integrations. I'm simply creating the I'm giving the integration type as an Lambda, which because of I'm Telnona, because I'm creating through this Lambda, and I have to provide that Lambda function. I'm giving the same my project web application, and finally we have to create this. After creating this, we need to, it will shows the two, and we have to copy this. We have to copy this and paste in notepad, which will useful for the next further steps. Then we have to go to the routes, and we need to create the 6 routes: get, put, get, delete, options in a different items in an ID. First I am going to create with an get with. I have to check once. Get with and items. 1 minute. Get with and items. Likewise, we are going to create something with post. Not post. I am going to put and an option to put with the same items and options to. After creating these 3 items, I am going to create items in ID with get and delete and options. For 3 of them I am going to create this get, delete and options. First I am going to create the get with items ID. Next I am going to create with delete. After which I am going to create with an options. After creating the routes, we have to integrate an options with what we have seen. That's only attach integration, and we have to this same. We have to go to same this one add attach integration, and I have to go to this one. I'm same my project attach integration. We need to follow this process for all 6. Choose an existing, same this one, this, and we have to go to same for the get option. After completing the integration for these 6 routes, I am going to the cross origin, and I have to configure there is a link which I am provided in this, in that one. This only this only. Copy this and you have to paste here, and I am going to change my bucket name. What is my bucket name? Front end. I'm going to paste here, and we have to star here, also star here, also star, and we have to give this number 96400. I think. Why? Because I already done this project in my class. We have to click the yes, save. This is my project. Next we have to give the commands to run the project, but unfortunately I am not getting the project completely. These are the final steps I am going to present. Thank you.